Create your own app in 5 minutes without any skills. Making a mobile app was never easier. Now you can create it available for Android or iPhone in just 5 minutes. The crazy part is that you don't even need to have any knowledge about coding or hacking NASA or anything about that. Just you, the regular person watching this, is able to own a mobile app in 5 minutes for free, starting right now and making money right away with it. The app will be monetized in two ways. Your app will have ads within itself and you're gonna get the revenue from those earnings every time someone sees an ad. And also, if you want to use this app to grow your own business, you can also do that and make the app dedicated to your business. If, however, you have no business, then your income will only rely on ads revenue. Let's see how is this possible in the first place. First, we need to go on mobbingcube.com, and it says right on their website that you can make money with this system right on the make money page. If you go on it, you can see that they say monetize your own apps. With MobbingCube, you can create apps and make money with them. These apps will contain advertisements in the form of banners, videos, and sliders. Every time a user clicks on an advert, you will earn money. Now the ads come from publicity networks that have an agreement with MobbingCube. It is an automatic and clear system for apps created with MobbingCube. It is responsible for searching for the best suitable advertisements with better prices and market conversions, and it will display them in the apps. With this system, the ad network pays you all of the income generated through the advertisements in the app with the app developers. Okay, now let's register a free account and get started. Click on create a new app, name your app and select a template. If, however, you are a bit more experienced, you can create your app from blank. Now let's just choose a category and select a template you like, then click create. From this point, it's up to you how you want to customize your application by your own preferences using the simple builder they have for you. After you're done, you can preview your app on Android or iPhone. Once you're done with the app, publish it on MobbingCube, Android stores and App Store. This will make it available on all platforms. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ways of making money online.